pale. Paga watoto. That's number one lady.
The race have been able to nurture the upcoming, and also as I go to these schools like in motivation, have been to more than 1,400 schools in this country to give hope to our young people and show them they can also make it in life.
Nimekimbia kilomita 21 na imenisaidia sana inasaidia kwa motivation na hata kwa generation yenye iko nyuma yetu inaona vile tunajikakamua.
Henry is already in motion, helping so many people, and he even sponsors some students who are needy to come to universities in Kenya, including Strathmore. So if you're looking for somebody to support, definitely Henry Wanyoike is that inspirational person that you should support.